Alrighty guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another video. This is a special one because you see I play a lot of basketball at home, and this basketball basically as a whole, there's no way to fix it, and I'm gonna cut it open. Maybe a very dumb idea, may fail to do so, but it's worth a try. Sorry if you guys hear a lot of helicopters, but yeah, make sure to subscribe and drop a like, and let's get into it. So let's see what happens. I'm actually kind of scared. Don't know what to expect out of this. Dang. Okay, hold on. I'm actually pretty scared, guys. May have to cut some parts out. Also, don't want to break this knife. I know you guys can't see much. Just give me 1 second. There we go. You guys could get a good look. Kind of cutting into this. The knife is completely in, guys. Alright. A ton of air is coming out. Trying to do it in a way that you guys could see. Alright. I'm gonna try to rip this thing open. It's gonna be hard though. Dang it. Alright. So far what I could see is this. Okay, not much. But yeah. It's kind of interesting. This has several layers, so I don't know if you guys can really tell. I am definitely gonna cut out some parts that would be boring. Alright, we can see something here. You see that thing? That's basically where you pump in the air, and hold on. There we go, right here, this thing. You pump the air from the outside, which is right there, that little black thing. And then the air goes into the ball. Almost done cutting this thing open. Yeah, it's impossible to rip it open with your hands, okay? You need a knife, unless you're the strongest person on earth. There we go. Alright, that's one part of it. So let's go with the smaller part. So it's easier to see what's inside here. Yeah, so basically, nothing but just leather like this, and that's pretty much what has covered the whole ball. Now there are several layers, if you guys could tell here. There's just the outside part and the inside part. There are a few like stringy thingies here, but other than that, nothing else. I'm probably just gonna time-lapse that. Who knows? But thank you for everyone who watched. Make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you all next time.